Good morning, my CAD students. Let me do a little status update. When I had us all access Fusion 360, I was mistakenly understanding that it had more functionality than it does. So my hope was that we could continue where we left off in Inventor. However, that doesn't seem to be the case. What I want to do today is some data collection. I want to come up with activities that I think are enjoyable and fulfilling, something that you feel like you're making progress. But in order to do that, I need to find out more about your situation at home. So, your first assignment today is to complete the Google form that I've posted in the classwork tab. I need that information if I'm going to come up with options that aren't just practice parts. The second thing you need to do today, I want you to go into the classwork tab. There is an assignment posted, and I have that list of parts, the practice parts that we started with Inventor with. I want you to choose a part that is that you haven't done, and that is a greater level of difficulty, and see if you can get it done in a timely manner. The whole part of using CAD repeatedly is to improve your speed. So today is data collection and a little bit of practice using measurements, using the different tools in Fusion 360.